Hey guys, gonna do a quick video. We've done this numerous times in different videos, but this is gonna be just covering this topic. So it's gonna be Endbell installation and removal, specifically how you install the whole motor package in the car. So I have a car here, nothing's wrong with it, but we're just gonna pull it apart here real quick. So I'm gonna pop the magnet setup out of there. So at this point, we're gonna pull the whole motor setup out of this thing, okay? So we have our motor setup out. To remove the Endbell, you use an Endbell brush spreader, okay? You can see how that works. I'm twisting the brush spreader open, close. To reinstall it, you want to put your timing bracket back on it, hold my index finger on there, open it up, and at this point, I like to get everything else set up, okay, like so. So I know we just put the same Endbell back on. Doesn't matter if you put a new Endbell, freaking old Endbell, like it doesn't matter. That process, never gonna change. It's not any different. The next part here, what you wanna do, okay, is get this stuff set up like so, okay? Now, you can see this magnet has dropped down below there, so you don't really want that to be like that. You want it to be on the top. As you go stronger on motor magnets, this whole process becomes more and more of a pain in the butt, okay? But the magnets won't move as easy because they're a lot stronger. I would recommend on stuff with stronger magnets to pull the traction mags out also because they're gonna just fly out and snap onto something. You're gonna break a magnet and you're gonna be calling me saying, hey, I got these out of the package broken like this, and I'm gonna know that you're lying because it's happened many, many times before, okay? So at this point, the motor will not just drop down in there, okay? Because your bunny ears are sitting on top of your pickup shoes, okay? So what you wanna do with tweezers is I'm gonna pull this ear forward so that I can, or this hanger forward so that the Endbell bunny ear will drop down in there. See how that one's in, this one's not in. You can also see there's a gap between this Endbell and the hanger. There's not one on this side, got it? So I'm gonna pull this one forward. See how that moved forward? Thumb pressure, now it's in place. Guess what? All you gotta do now, snap it in place, put it back together, put it back on the track, you're good to go. I know I probably made it look easy, and that is because it is easy. On a stiff chassis, it's gonna take a little bit more pressure, and I explained this to Bridger yesterday when he was putting together these cars, that pressure is fine, force is a different story. If you're forcing something, like if you're just trying to just jam that motor down in there, that's because those bunny ears are sitting on top of your hangers and you're gonna ruin your Endbell, okay? So pressure's fine, force is not good. Magnet clip, same thing, okay? See how it's at that angle right now? Okay, we're gonna push this over, so now it's half installed. And then to install it the rest of the way, I'm just gonna push down right there. If you're doing a stiff clip, okay, and it's at this point, what you will want to do is take a small pair of pliers and you will put them right here around that bracket or that brace, okay? And you will just push it down until it pops into place. I usually will set the car on a track section if it's a stiff chassis. Then put your rear axle back in, make sure your spacers and all that stuff is all good. At that point, I like to rotate the Endbell and reset my timing because when you're installing it, who knows what's gonna happen to it. But essentially, I know that's short and sweet, straight to the point, no BS, but it is that easy. If it's harder than that, it's because you're missing a part of that step. None of these are special tools. These are just tweezers, probably out of my great grandma's closet. This is an Endbell tool that I made forever ago. The stuff that we sell now is way better. These pliers, nothing special. They're just smooth jaw. I mean, you can see how chewed up they are. None of this stuff's special. This isn't even a special car. This is a friggin' piece of crap I pulled out of my drawer there. It's a test mule that I've had forever. But the process is the same. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If there is questions or something wasn't clear, we'll make another spicy video for you to clear that up. But hopefully you guys enjoy this one. We appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one.